Hello, and welcome to Daily Coding Tips. Today's tip, SQL, optimizing queries with indexes. Many applications suffer from slow database queries. This often stems from full table scans, when the database can't quickly locate the relevant data. Without indexes, the database has to examine every row in the table, which can be extremely time-consuming for large tables. Indexes are special lookup tables that the database search engine can use to speed up data retrieval. Simply create an index on the columns frequently used in where clauses. Use the explain statement to confirm the database is using your newly created index. Look for using indexed in the output. If it doesn't appear, the index might not be applicable for that specific query. Indexes dramatically reduce the number of rows the database needs to examine. Instead of scanning the entire table, it uses the index to quickly locate the relevant rows. This significantly improves query performance, especially for large datasets. By minimizing the number of rows read from disk, indexes also reduce I/O operations. This not only speeds up queries, but also reduces the load on the database server, improving overall system performance. Consider an e-commerce application where you frequently look up users by their email address. Creating an index on the email column in the users table will make these lookups much faster. If you often filter data based on a date range, create an index on the date column. This is common in reporting and analytics applications. For queries that filter on multiple columns, create a composite index that includes all the columns in the where clause. The order of columns in the index matters. A covering index includes all the columns needed to satisfy the query. The database can retrieve all the data from the index itself without accessing the table, resulting in optimal performance. Too many indexes can slow down write operations, insert, update, delete, because the database needs to update the indexes as well. Only create indexes that are truly necessary. Periodically review and remove unused indexes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily coding tips and hit the like button if this was helpful.